go, let's go. Where is my flippin' knight? Where's my
Where's Lampy?
Where's the flippin' dollhouse and my doll? Molly!
And our lamp.
Get your butt in here, Molly. Where the crap is my lamp, my doll, and my dollhouse?
How should I know? Don't check me into your problem.
John, she's playing upstairs, come on. What? I was just using the toilet. Come on, Mango, it's not down here. Lampy! Hugs. Wow.
Now, I'm tired after that lamp search.
I'm taking a nap.
Who's that smacks the lamp in the mirror? Come on, gorgeous.